How long have you had your lock?
It'll be 2 years in June this year.
How thick do you think you want to go?
Probably about 60 locks.
How you think you got?
Probably like 140.
So like 3 in 1.
Yep, from our consult notes, we got roughly 140. Maintenance, palm rolling the entire time, about 60 locks.
Any products or anything that your stylist use on your hair?
Nah, she don't use gel. I'm not exactly sure what she uses retwist. Definitely not gel. I retwist about every 8 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks.
Thicker locks, I don't think you'd be retwisting that much.
That'll be good. I know.
Stuff hurt my neck, and the longer it get,
What boy, you can imagine how long it takes.
Oh yeah. Your body where she at? She complains now.
I haven't done mine in
In a year or so.
a year and a half. I only have 118.
You don't retwist, you just maintain.
Because it's harder on yourself when you're doing it. Or,
If I ever have any breakage,
So
I'll
you
fix it.
can do hers?
I could, but she
Yeah.
won't let me though. Yeah. She ain't gonna let
That's pretty cool. Y'all can do each other.
Yeah. She like to do her own hair. She
It
wants to
just
sit in the
feels
mirror
weird.
all day.
I respect everybody who trusts me to be in their head. I just can't.
It's all good. It's all good. I respect people that allow me to, do their hair as well. Get them out here looking good.
Yeah, y'all got good energy. I saw like 3 people, one in Florida. I saw y'all got like real good energy on camera.
Thank you.
That's like that's a big thing, man. That's how I am with my hair. I don't let anybody touch it. One of them people with negative energy train. Y'all got good vibes.
Appreciate that. That's what everybody says.
That's a big deciding factor when you spend the money.
Right, it
And it's
is.
big for us too, as far as bringing people in.
Yeah.
If you're interested in booking with us, I hope you guys caught that conversation. And if not, take it back. Please understand that it's not just about the money for us. We are huge on energy. And so far, we've been lucky to have some great folks travel to us, and we want to keep it that way. So our requirements for booking will not be changing. Make sure you head over to CynsationalLOCS.com to book your consultation, and while you're there, check out our everyday products designed to support you on your healthy lifestyle journey. Now, about these locks. If you're someone who is considering locks, or you already have locks and you're not happy with your current lock journey, this video is all for you. Taking that leap to lock your hair is a big decision, and when you make decisions, you should be your most informed self. That means you need to research, and that way, you won't have to backtrack, you'll already be on track. Locks are not a one-size-fits-all type of hairstyle. It's many different factors to take into account and keep in mind for your future growth. So when this client started his locks, he didn't have a size or a method in mind. So this is what he ended up with. 140 some odd extra small comb coiled locks. And that size and the method just weren't ideal for his texture or his lifestyle. He was so unhappy with the size that he wore his hair basically in that 2-strand twist style so often for the volume and the thicker look. But it's lucky for him he found out it wasn't right for him early in his journey. And lucky for us, not much locking had taken place over the 2-year journey. When my husband was distressing his locks, he could almost comb them out. If you're considering combining your locks, I would recommend that you do so sooner than later. The process is much more difficult, time-consuming, and costly based on your length and the maturity alone. As you guys can see, we hooked him up with the thickness that he desired from day one, and with continued care, his locks will remain healthy, growing consistently in size. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe on your way out, and hit that bell. That way you don't miss any of my uploads as soon as I put them out there, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. CynsationalLocks.com. Sensational.